guys, we have a double hippeastrum here. I lost one or two of the flowers, but I got still one left. I hope she's still bald and okay. And I removed some of this thing as well because they're rotten. So remove some few of them. Alright, let's go more. Alright guys, this is all the bits and pieces that left there that I removed. And then here it is, our double hippeastrum nymph from Tessilar. That was very healthy when I get them. But then weeks later, I just give them water to solution yesterday within 30 minutes. I think it doesn't like very soaking, that one. But I only soak less, so it's okay. So today I got pot. So this pot is good for it, but then you have to do it again every year or next year or so. So I don't want to use that. But actually advisable using this kind of pot size. Not too big, just close to the size of the bulb or plants. It'd be really good, I reckon. But if you don't want, like, after that you disturb again, you do like this. That's what I do all the time. So in here we got same thing, mix manure, lime, blood and bone, nice potting soil, and I've got, oh sorry, this nice good aeration, the fine sand. Okay, mix them together and voila, you're good to go. Let's go. We'll put this one out. Make sure it's cooler and more soil. Don't put it very low unless you put only less soil and you do that like this, because they can grow as well. I think I'm gonna do that. And then don't let your bulb really sitting really low. Make sure just let it back, and then so they can breathe as well. Alright, we're gonna do this, guys. So here you are. It's finished product now. Here it is. I have to give them water a bit here. And the color of the flower, by the way, guys, is like a candy floss, Christmas candy floss. Nice. So we'll give him water and then put him in the sun, and off she goes. And wait for thing to come out. I hope this one is in flowering, but if not, you can wait for next year or so. Thank you guys, but this one will be nice and leaves. Okay, let's give them water. So this is how we water them. Just tiny bit of water, you know, not much. Thank you. Happy gardening. Then that's it. Don't water then after.